Fever means high body temperature. I have a fever. He had a lasting fever for weeks. Cough. A sudden nosy breath from the throat. I have a cough. He can't sleep at night because of his cough. Headache. Pain in the head. I had a terrible headache since morning. He can't focus on his work because of the constant headache. Malaria. A disease spread by mosquitoes, causing fever and chills. Malaria is common in rainy seasons. Use a mosquito net to prevent malaria. Stomach ache. Pain in the stomach. I ate too much and got a stomachache. She has a stomach ache after eating ice cream. Sore throat. Pain or irritation in the throat. I have a sore throat and can't speak well.
Drinking warm tea helps a sore throat. Injury.
Physical harm or damage.
He got leg injury while playing football. Clean the injury to stop infection. Bruise. A dark mark on the skin after a hit? She has a bruise on her face. I fell and got a big bruise. Skin allergy. A condition when skin becomes red, itchy, or swollen. I got a skin allergy after using a new cream. Her skin allergy causes red spots and itching. Vomiting. When food comes out of your mouth due to sickness. She started vomiting after the ride. Vomiting can be a sign of food poisoning. Asthma. A breathing problem that causes shortness of breath. My brother has asthma, that's why he uses an inhaler. Dust can make asthma worse. Toothache. Pain in the tooth? I have a toothache and can't eat anything. She went to the dentist for her toothache. Burn. Injury caused by fire, heat, or something hot. She burned her hand while cooking. Use cold water to treat a burn.